Well, good morning, everybody. This is my new obsession, caramel vanilla cream coffee, and it's going to be perfect for the new year. Can you believe it's the end of 2021 and it's almost 2022? But 2022 sounds like a lucky number. Now, I'm not a numerologist, but it sounds lucky to me. And this is the time of year when I go through all of my video and do some cleanup on my laptop. And that's what I've been doing. And I want to thank you so much for watching the Style Chase and following and making comments and giving me a thumbs up and all those things we do on YouTube. But like I was saying, I was cleaning up my laptop for the end of the year. And I came across some video that wasn't used for obvious reasons. You will see how often I have to retake little snippets of a video. I would love to have every video as perfect as possible, but that doesn't always happen. Many times I have to take a video several times to get it somewhat like I would like you to see, but you're going to see that many times I have to retake over and over. And that's what you're going to see right now is video that I have misspoken, or I'm sidetracked. Maybe I get a text message in the middle of a video. Hang on, because you probably will never see these again. Look at that, it's perfect. If you want extra chocolatey, if you want extra chocolatey, if you want extra chocolatey chocolate, if you want extra chocolatey hot chocolate, drop one of these in there. If you want extra chocolatey hot chocolate, drop one of these in your mug. Now let's add the Midori melon liqueur. Now, Midori, now let's add the Now let's add the Midori. Now we'll add the Midori. Cannot say it. Now we'll add the Midori. What the hell is wrong with me? Sometimes I just can't gather my thoughts, but sometimes some of these phrases are difficult, and try saying some of that 10 times really fast. Now these videos are not in any order. I just was cleaning up and deleting things that I didn't need any longer, but I thought you might enjoy watching them. Look at this tiny little switch. Look at, I love it. Little fairy lights. You can use fairy lights on anything and I will fall in love. So this is the main reason that I'm making this arrangement, or these lights. I'm so obsessed. So we're going to turn those off for a minute, and I'm going to put them into the ornament. Let's see. Here we go.
Calzone. Calzone.
I'm not decorating anymore because I have to get started cooking. Now, I don't know if you can see the frustration in my face during that video, but I truly believed I could get those lights in the ornaments in about 30 seconds. It took about 8 minutes. So I had to do some clever editing. Now, this clip is one of the most challenging I have ever made. And I was trying to make the video as quickly as possible because we had other things we wanted to do that day. It's not all about the video when you are on vacation. But I had dogs barking, I had neighbors yelling, I had people walking by, I had wind howling, and it's one of the worst pieces of audio I've ever put in a video. It was a complete disaster. Because Santorini is so unique in that aspect. However, you will see a lot lot of Greek influence here, and they're known for their fresh seafood and their burrata cheeses, and believe me, you don't want to miss either one of those. Now in this video, you are going to see the fear in my eyes if you look closely, because I had never used a drill before, and I was dreading using that drill from the very beginning of this segment. Okay, so now we're going to use the drill. I'm going to make all of the larger 1-inch holes because I already have the 1-inch drill bit in here, and I don't want to change that drill bit out. Okay, now we're going to take the... Okay, now I'm going to use the drill, and it works. So I'm... one, not the tiniest one, of course, because I was afraid there wouldn't be enough space for the light to come through. But now we'll go on and keep on drilling. These are going to go on each side of those smaller holes. These are going to go on each side of the smaller holes, and this is even smaller. Apparently, it's not tight enough. Let's see. I told you I've never used a drill before. I think I'm going to have to call him back up. And not being able to hold a prop is my specialty. Now the next item I bought is not jeans, it's a scarf. And I just thought it was gorgeous. You can get this at Nordstrom. Doesn't that look fantastic? And I suggest pairing it with your favorite red wine. And I hope you have a wonderful... Oh, crap. How many... You'd be surprised how many adults would love this. Let's get started with this. Now, I've read that the Harvey Wallbanger is named after a surfer from the 50s, but then I read that they questioned that story. So we just... Shit. And after making Harvey Wallbangers for a while, I was completely over it and I had to stop. I think I made 6 takes on that and it never went correctly. Now in this video, if you listen, you can hear the construction vehicles across the street. and I'm trying to decide whether or not to video. So I'm straightening furniture and listening to the beeping, and as soon as I would hear it stop, I would run to the camera. Things did not go quite like we anticipated it. The furniture was delivered today. This is the next day after well, things did not go quite as we had anticipated. We had our furniture delivered today, not the day that I videoed the morning we were supposed to have the furniture delivered. But that's okay because it was only one day and I had other things I could do, plenty going on here. But I have placed the furniture exactly the way my decorator anticipated that we would place it. And what he did, besides Zoom and FaceTime, you know, you will remember that he is a... So what we want to do is use our banana? What we want to do now is use our French vanilla pudding as a filler, like an eclair fill. So, and I hope hello? But I hope you enjoy getting prepared. But I hope you are enjoying preparing for Thanksgiving, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and it's given you some great ideas, and I hope you're enjoying getting ready for Thanksgiving, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, give you some ideas of things to prepare, and I hope, let's see. I hope you're getting excited about preparing for Thanksgiving, and I hope this video gave you an idea or two. And if it did, and you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And you know the bell? I hope you're getting excited about preparing for Thanksgiving and seeing friends and family. And I hope this video gave you some ideas, one or two. If it did, and you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button. And you know that little bell right beside this? Well, I hope you're getting excited about the holidays and preparing for Thanksgiving and seeing friends and family. And I hope this video gave you an idea or two. And if it did and you enjoyed it, please, I hope you... Well, as much as I love making videos, there is a lot of frustration. But I love the fact that you enjoy watching the videos, and I hope you have the best New Year's Eve, and I hope you have a wonderful 2022, and you have all the blessings of the new year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next year.